The yoga, they have three different stages of classes for new beginners with a lot of explanation, and then you have for the intermediate and for the professionals. I go to the intermediate because I was in the Himalayas a couple of times for my yoga, and here is much better because Himalayas was very cold. Coming from a cold country, I would love to be on the beach and swim, in the middle of the day.
Of the training of the therapist, their knowledge of what they're doing, their knowledge of Ayurveda, their knowledge of the human body, coupled with the doctor's guidance on our ailments and the targeting of the treatment to the ailments. And I think I don't think there is a second. I mean, it's bar none. The treatment was bar none.
Environment is here absolutely beautiful. The resort is divine, it's proper, it's clean, the people are very nice.
So really good. Enjoy the treatments. I'm very relaxed after the treatments, and as a matter of fact, it took me about a couple of days to calm down from the city life, and now it's beautiful. And like my wife said, next time we're gonna be here for about a good 2 weeks.
The food, I would go beyond 5-star, beyond 5-star. And I've never ate the vegetables that they made here. I've heard of it, but I never ate. I just couldn't stop eating. That's how good it was.